नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन या चॅप्टरचा प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 बघणार आहोत. त्यापूर्वी यामध्ये असणारं एसएनचा फॉर्म्युला बघणार आहोत आणि सर्व सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल्स, आणि त्यानंतर आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट बघणार आहोत. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. The wise teacher. Once upon a time there lived a king. He appointed two teachers, Tara and Meera, to teach horse riding for 1 year to his children, Yashwant Raje and Geeta Devi. He asked both of them how much salary they wanted. Tara said, "Give me 100 gold coins in first month, and every month increase the amount by 100 gold coins." Meera said, "Give me 10 gold coins in the first month, and every month just double the amount of the previous month." The king agreed. After 3 months, Yashwant Raje said to his sister, "My teacher is smarter than your teacher," as she had asked for more money. Geeta Devi said, "I also thought the same. I asked Meera Devi about it. She only smiled and said, 'Compare the salaries after 8 months. I calculated their 9-month salary. You can check it." तर विद्यार्थी मित्रो, तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय की हे मंथ्स त्याने पहिल्या रो मध्ये इथे घेतले. सेकंड रो तारा सॅलरी अँड थर्ड रो मीरा सॅलरी. पहिल्या मंथ मध्ये ताराची सॅलरी किती होती? तर ती 100. ताराने सांगितलं होती की प्रत्येक मंथला काय की त्याचं सॅलरी ही जी त्यामध्ये 100 ऍड करणार आहोत. मग सेकंड मंथ मध्ये 200, थर्ड 300, फोर्थ 400, अँड इन दिस वे. व्हॉट अबाउट द मीरा? Meera said that is the first he want, that is the 10 gold coins in the first month, and every month just double the amount in the previous month. मग तिच्या फर्स्ट मंथला किती? तर 10 गोल्ड कॉइन्स होत्या. सेकंड मंथ त्याच्या डबल, मीन्स वॉट 20. थर्ड मंथ 20चं डबल 40, अँड इन दिस वे. आता इथे बघितल्यानंतर आपल्याला 8th मंथ त्या मीराची सॅलरी कशी आहे? तर ती आता जास्त आहे. कंप्लीट द अबो टेबल. Tara's salary is 100, 200, 300, 400 is in AP. That is the T1 is 100, T2 is a 200, T3 is a 300, T2 minus T1. That is difference is constant, which is 100. Okay. Common difference is 100. And what about the Meera salary? 10, 20, 40, 80 is not an AP. Reason is 20 minus 10 is 10. 40 minus 20 is 20. 80 minus 40 is 40. So, the common difference is not constant, but each term is double the preceding term. Here, T2 upon T1 means what? 20 upon 10, you will get here 2. T3 upon T2, 40 upon 20, you will get 2. T4 upon T3, 80 upon 40, you will get here 2. Okay. Therefore, Tn plus 1 upon Tn, the ratio of a term and its preceding term is constant. This type of progression is called a geometric progression. Notice that if a ratio Tn plus 1 upon Tn is greater than 1, then the geometric progression will increase faster than arithmetic progression. If the ratio is smaller than 1, progression will decrease. This year, we are going to study arithmetic progression only. We have seen how to find nth term of an AP. Now we are going to see how to find the sum of the first n terms. Okay. Now see this here. Quick addition. Quick addition. 300 years ago, there was a single teacher school in Germany. The teacher was Büttner. जर्मनीमध्ये तेव्हा एक शिक्षकी शाळा होती. The teacher was Büttner and he had an assistant, John Martin Bartlett. He used to teach alphabets to the children and sharpen their pencils. Whitner was a strict teacher. One day, he wanted to do some work and wanted peace in the class. त्याच्याकडे एके दिवशी फार काम आलं होतं आणि त्याला ते काम करायचं होतं आणि वर्गात शांतता हवी होती. So he tried to occupy all students with lengthy addition. They were asked to add all integers from 1 to 100. 1 ते 100 पर्यंतच्या सर्व अंकांची बेरीज करायची. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 in this way. In few minutes, one slate was slammed on the floor. He looked at Carl Gauss and asked, I asked you to add all integers from 1 to 100. त्या कार्ल गॉसच्या विद्यार्थ्याने झटक्यात ती ॲडिशन केली आणि पाठी पालथी घालती. आणि त्यावेळेस ते टीचर म्हणाले त्याला, आय आस्क्ड यू टू ॲड ऑल इंटिजर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 100. मी तुला 1 ते 100 पर्यंतच्या बेरीज करायला सांगितली. Why did you keep the slate down? Don't you want to do it? Carl Gauss said, I have done the addition. Teacher asked, how did you do it so quickly? You wouldn't have written all numbers. What is the answer? Carl Gauss said, 5050. Teacher was so surprised and asked him, how do you find the answer? Carl Gauss explained his quick addition method. आता ही addition method कशी? Numbers in increasing order, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. Okay. Numbers in decreasing order, that is 100, 99, 98, 97 and last is 1. आणि यांचे addition केले त्यांनी. 1 plus 100, 101. 2 plus 99, 101. 3 plus 98, 101. And in this way, the last addition is 100 plus 1. You will get 101. The sum of each pair is 101. This sum occurs 100 times. So, 101 into 100 is the product needed. It is 10,100. In this 1 to 100 are counted 2 times. Therefore, half of 10,100 is 5,050. And hence that is the sum of 1 to 100 is 5,050. The teacher appreciated his work. Now using this method of the Gauss, let us find sum of n terms of an AP. Now see this. Let's learn sum of first n terms of an AP. Arithmetic progression आपण इथे लिहिणार a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and the last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. In this progression, a is the first term and d is a common difference. Let's write sum of first n terms of Sn. Sn is equals to a plus d plus dash dash plus in bracket a plus n minus 1 into d plus in bracket a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. In this way, reversing the terms, उलट लिहिणार आपण मगाशी जसं 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100 आणि लास्टला आपण इथनं रिव्हर्स केल्या त्या टर्म्स म्हणजे 100 पासून चालू केल्या त्या तसंच इथे रिव्हर्स करणार. दॅट इज in bracket a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d and in this way and the last will be a. आता यांची ॲडिशन करणार sn plus sn, you will get here 2sn, a plus, okay, in bracket a plus n minus 1 into d, and if you add this then you will get here 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. Similarly for the other brackets, 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus dash dash plus in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. This is also n times. Okay. आणि हे सर्व n times येणार आहे. Therefore n into in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d and hence Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d, or Sn is equals to, या 2 ने आतल्या टर्म्सला डिवाइड करणार, then you will get here Sn is equals to, आणि n by 2 नेच आतल्या टर्म्सला मल्टिप्लाइड करणार, then 2 will get cancel. Sn is equals to n into a plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 into d. Now we'll see the one more example here. Let's find the sum of first 100 terms of AP. The AP कसे आहे? The 14, 16, 18 and in this way. Here A is equals to 14, D is equals to 2, N is equals to 100. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. Substitute the value. N is 100, A is 14, D is 2. या value substitute करना. 100 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 14 plus 100 minus 1 into 2. That is the 100 upon 2 you will get here 50. 2 into 14, 28. 100 minus 1 is 99 into 2, 198. पुन्हा ती addition करणार 50. 28 plus 198 you will get here 226. आणि यांचं multiplication केल्यानंतर काय मिळेल तुम्हाला 11,300. And therefore the answer is sum of first 100 terms of AP is 11,300. Now remember this formula for the Tn. माहिती आपल्याला a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d, आणि Sn चा फॉर्म्युला आताचा Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d is equals to na plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 into d. Okay. Now let us find one more formula for sum of first n terms, that is आता Sn आपल्याला इथे फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket a 2a. What is 2a plus n minus 1 into d? तो 2a इथे कसं दिला a plus a. But what about the a means what? First term. मग इथे t1 लिहिलाय आणि नंतर उरलेलं टर्म म्हणजे काय? तर हा tn आला आपला. Therefore Sn चा दुसरा फॉर्म्युला काय? Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket t1 plus tn, म्हणजे फर्स्ट टर्म आणि लास्ट टर्म या दोघांची ऍडिशन त्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये. ओके. नाउ सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल. First example, find the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, first n natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to n. A is 1, D common difference हा 1 असणार आहे. nth term है n च असणार आहे. Sn is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to last term is a n. Okay, Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket first term plus last term by formula. First term 1 I and last term n I. Therefore you will get here Sn is equals to n into in bracket n plus 1 upon 2, and therefore sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 upon 2. Next, find the sum of first n even natural numbers. Even natural numbers बघणार. Solution. First n even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and the last number is a 2n. T1 is first term is equals to 2, Tn is equals to last term is equals to 2n. Now the first method n by 2 in bracket first term and last term यांची addition, n by 2 in bracket 2 plus 2n. Okay, 2 common घेणार, इथे 2 जाणार आणि ती addition किती आली? Sn, that is n in bracket n plus 1. Second method 2, 4, 6 plus dash dash and the last term is a 2n. Take 2 as a common and the sum of all these 1 plus 2 plus 3 is again n into n plus 1 upon 2. हे आपण तयार केलेले sum of first n natural numbers हे तसेच आहेत 1 plus 2 plus 3. त्यांचा sum किती येतं? n into n plus 1 upon 2. Again here 2 to get cancel. Then you will get here n in bracket 1 plus n. Okay. And this is the third method. That is Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. इथे value substitute करना. Okay, 2 into 2. Okay, n minus 1. Again d is a 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, next 4 minus 2, you will get here 2 plus 2n. Take 2 as a common. This 2 will get cancelled and finally you will get here n into in bracket 1 plus n. Therefore, the sum of first even natural number is n into in bracket 1 plus n. Okay. Now the next example, find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Okay. First n natural numbers. First 10 odd natural numbers पाहिजे इथे 1, 3, 5, 7 and the last is a 2n minus 1. Here a is equals to t1 is equals to 1 and tn is a last term is a 2n minus 1 and d is 2. Now the first method Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket t1 plus tn 1 plus in bracket 2n minus 1. Simplify करना थे plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. Okay, n by 2 into 2n. Again 2 get cancelled, you will get here n square. Second method Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. Simplify करना plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Again you will get here n by 2 into 2n. 2 get cancelled, you will get here n into n square. And what about the third method? 1 plus 3 plus dash dash and the last term is 2n minus 1. ओके, हे कसं लिहिणार तर सर्व आधी नॅचरल नंबर्स लिहिणार आणि त्याच्यातनं इवन नंबर्स हे मायनस करणार. सम ऑफ एन नॅचरल नंबर्स इज ओके सम ऑफ एन नॅचरल नंबरचा इथे फॉर्म्युला वापरणार. तो किती होता एन इंटू एन प्लस 1/2. लास्ट टर्म इथे किती आहे तर 2n आहे. देअरफॉर 2n in bracket 2n plus 1/2. What about here? All these are the even numbers. Again here 2n in bracket n plus 1/2 or you can take 2 as a common. यातनं 2 common काढू शकतो आपण and then in bracket you will get here 1 plus 2 plus 3. The last term is n. That is a 2. मग पुन्हा sum of n natural numbers आपल्याला मिळतील. मग त्याचा सम आपल्याला माहिती असतो तर n into n plus 1/2 आणि तो हा आपण जो 2 कॉमन काढलेला असतो तो इथे 2 घेतलेला आहे. Again here 2 get cancelled. This 2 will get cancelled. 2n square plus n minus in bracket n square plus n bracket open करणार. 2n square plus n minus n square minus n plus n minus n get cancelled. 2n square मध्ये n square गेला, you will get here n square. Okay. Now the next example. Find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 50. सर्व odd numbers ची आपल्याला सम करायचे ते the numbers are from 1 to 50 म्हणजे 1 घेणार या ठिकाणी. Okay, and the last odd number is 149 which is an AP. A is the first term which is 1 and A is equals to 1. Common difference D is equals to 2. odd numbers किती आहेत ते आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे. त्यासाठी first let's find how many odd numbers are there from 1 to 150. So find the value of n. If tn is equals to 149, tn is equals to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. 149 is equals to 1 plus in bracket n minus 1 into 2. 149 is equals to 1 plus इधे multiplication करना 2n minus 2 and then you will get here plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, and तो minus 1 इकडे नंतर कसा होणार 150 is equals to 2n. Therefore n is equals to 150/2. n is equals to 75. Now let's find the sum of these 75 numbers, that is a 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dash dash plus 149. Here a is equals to 1, d is equals to 2, n is equals to 75. आता या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यूज सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यूज सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. n is 75 means what? Here 75/2 in bracket 2a. What about the a? A is 1. 2 into 1 plus, okay, 75 minus 1 into d. d किती आहे तर तो कॉमन डिफरन्स इट्स अ 2. Okay, next simplification. This is the 2 into 1 किती मिळणार तर 2 मिळणार. 75 minus 1 74. 74 into 2 you will get here 140 148 148 plus 2 150 आणि हा divided by 2 then you will get here 75 75 into 75 75 चा square येणार. What is that? First is a that is a 5 into 5, that is a 25. नेक्स्ट नंबर घेणार पुढचा आपण 7 चा पुढचा नंबर किती येणार तर 8. 7 into 8 56 म्हणजे ज्या नंबरच्या युनिट प्लेसला जर 5 असेल तर त्याचा स्क्वेअर करणं अतिशय इझी असतं. फर्स्ट 5चा स्क्वेअर करायचा आणि 7च्या पुढचा नंबर कुठला तर तो 8 आहे. 7 into 8 56. Therefore SN is equals to 5625. इकडे देखील तसंच करणार. 1 plus 49. Then you will get here 150 upon 2. That is equals to 75 into again 75. पुन्हा 75चा स्क्वेअर करणं अतिशय सोपं आहे. युनिट प्लेसला 5 असेल तर दिस इज द 25. 7चा पुढचा नंबर 8. 7 into 8. Then you will get here 56 and therefore SN is equals to 5625. Okay. Now we'll start the practice set 3.3. Now let us start practice set 3.3. Question number 1. First term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. Find S27. Here A is equals to 6, D is equals to 3. S27. Okay. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a. या ठिकाणी आपण तो फॉर्म्युला लिहिणार. What is that? In bracket first is here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S27, that is the 27 upon 2. 2 into a means what? 12. 2 into 6, 12. Plus in bracket 27 minus 1. D is 3. इथे 3 लिहिणार. Okay. 27 upon 2, 12. Plus in bracket 27 minus 1 means what? 26. म्हणजे इथे किती येणार? 12 plus 26 into 3. Then you will get here 78. 78 plus 12, that is 90. Therefore here is a 90. 90 upon 2, you will get here 45. And hence their product is, that is a 27 into 45 is a 1215. And this is answer. Okay. Now next, see this here, the same example. This asked in March 20 and September 21. Here A is equals to 6, D is equals to 3, S27. या ठिकाणी आपण फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये इथे व्हॅल्यूज सबस्टिट्यूट केलेल्या आहेत त्या. फिल इन द ब्लँक्स. 2a. नेक्स्ट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ D. ओके. 27 upon 2 into 90. That is a 27 into 45. And then final answer is a 1215. Okay. S27 is equals to 1215. Next example. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Here the even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6. Okay. The last is 2n. Are the even natural numbers. Here A is equals to T1 is equals to 2, T2 is equals to 4, T3 is equals to 6. Common difference. D is equals to T2 minus T1 is 4 minus 2 is 2. N is equals to 123. Formula बघा. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. त्या फॉर्म्युल्यात व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. S123. 123 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1 bracket complete into 2. Next, 123 upon 2, 2 into 2, 4. 123 minus 1, 122 into 2. 122 into 2 means what? 244 plus 4. Then you will get here 248. That is 123 upon 2. Next, 123 into 124. And त्यांचा product किती आला? S123 is equals to 15,252. Okay. And therefore, this is the answer. The sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Next example. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. Okay. Even numbers between 1 and 350 means what? First number किती येणार? तर 2 येणार and last number 348. Okay. Here A is equals to T1 is 2. D is common difference. T2 minus T1 is equals to 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Tn is equals to 348. पण आपल्याला हे सर्व इव्हन नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करावे लागतील. फर्स्ट या TN चा फॉर्म्युला या ठिकाणी वापरावा लागला. TN इज इक्वल्स टू A प्लस N मायनस 1 इंटू D. लास्ट टर्म आपल्याला माहिती आहे 348 इज इक्वल्स टू A इज टू N मायनस 1 D इज टू. अँड आफ्टर सिम्प्लिफिकेशन हा 2 आपण इकडे आणणार. दॅट इज अ प्लस 2 विल बिकम मायनस 348 minus 2 346 n minus 1 into 2 is equals to 346. Therefore n minus 1 is equals to 346 upon 2. Therefore n minus 1 is equals to 173. N is equals to 173 plus 1 174. आपल्याला ते नंबर्स माहिती झालेत. 1 to the even numbers between 1 to 350. किती नंबर्स आहेत ते? तर 174. फर्स्ट नंबर पण माहिती आहे. Okay, and last number पण माहिती आहे. Therefore we'll here use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2. First term and the last term. n किती आहे तर 174 upon 2 in bracket first term and last term. Okay, त्या दोघांची टोटल किती आली 350. 174 upon 2 you will get here 87 into 350 and that's a product. What is the product? 30,450 and the answer is the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350 is 30,450. Okay. Now next example. Next, in an AP, 19th term is 52 and 30th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 term. Here the first term of the AP be A, common difference D. T19 is equals to 52. T38 is equals to 128. T answer formula. Tn is equals to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. T19 is equals to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. Therefore, T19 is equals to A plus 18D is equals to 52. This is equation number 1. Okay. T38 is equals to A plus. पुन्हा तोच formula n minus 1 into D. T38 is equals to A plus 37D is equals to 128. A plus 37D is equals to 128. This is second equation. Adding equation number 1 and 2, then you will get here A plus 18D is equals to 52. A plus 37D is equals to 128. हे दोन्ही ऍड केले तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला 2A plus 55D is equals to 180. Okay. Now formula for Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S56 is equals to n is replaced by 56. 56 upon 2 in bracket 2A plus 56 minus 1 into D. Okay. 56 upon 2 means what? 28. 2A. 56 minus 1 means what? 55 into D. Okay. But what is the value of 2A plus 55D is 180. 28 into 180. Hence multiplication किती आला 5040. And therefore the sum of first 56 terms is 5040. Okay. Now next question. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers between 1 and 140 which are divisible by 4. Between 1 and 140 natural numbers divisible by 4 are. First number काय येणार तर 4 येणार आणि लास्ट नंबर 140 ला काही डिव्हिजन जाणार नाही 139 ला नाही 138 ला नाही 137 ला नाही. द लास्ट नंबर विल बी 136. ओके. म्हणून या प्रकारचे हे नंबर्स आहेत नॅचरल नंबर्स विच आर डिव्हिजिबल बाय 4 बिटवीन 1 अँड 140. ओके. हिअर हाऊ मेनी नंबर्स म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे एन ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. ओके. नेक्स्ट एन इज इक्वल्स टू ए ची व्हॅल्यू. आता ए आपल्याला माहिती आहे ए इज 4. आपण ती व्हॅल्यू इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए इज 4. डी इज ऑल्सो 4. कॉमन डिफरन्स हा देखील तो 4 येणार. ओके. Now to find out Tn is equals to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Last number आपल्याला माहिती आहे की तो 136 आहे. First term is 4. Okay. Plus n minus 1 into D. D ची व्हॅल्यू देखील ती किती आहे 34 आहे. Now next find out the value of n. मग ती n ची व्हॅल्यू कशी फाइंड आउट करणार तर इथे आपण या प्रकारे ती फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. See this here. 136 is equals to 4 plus n minus 1 into again here 4. Okay, हे simplification बघा इथे first 136 here 136 is equals to 4 plus 4n minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 get cancel. You will get here n is equals to 136 upon 4. Okay, if a division gela, then you will get here 4 1s are 1, 4 3s are 12. Next 4 4s are 16. You will get here 34. N is equals to 34. इथे n ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळाली. It is a 34. Okay. पुढे next इथे देखील 34 लिहिणार. What is the formula? Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. इथे लिहिणार आपण S 34 is equals to okay, S 34 इथे जागा कमी आहे त्यामुळे आपण इकडे लिहित आहे S34 is equals to n by 2 means what? 34 upon 2. Here is a 34 upon 2 in bracket okay 2a 2 into 4 plus n minus 1 34 minus 1 into d. D is 4. Okay. पुढे हेच simplification करणार बघा ते 34 upon 2 you will get here 17 2 into 4 8 plus 34 minus 1 33 into 4 33 into 4 132 132 plus 8 140. Okay, 140 into 17 that is 2380. Okay, याच व्हॅल्यूज आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. Means what here 34 upon 2 and then in bracket 2 into 4 इथे 2 into 4 plus 34 minus 1 into d. D is 4. Okay, and the final answer मग ते इथे लिहिणार 2380 and in this way this activity is completed. Okay, now next example. Okay, next example. The sum of first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Solution. Sn is equals to S55 is equals to 3300. Let the first term of the AP be A and the common difference is D. Okay. Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula. Substitute the value. S55 is equals to 55 upon 2. N is replaced by 55. Okay. In bracket 2a plus n minus 1 म्हणजे 55 minus 1 into d. 55 upon 2. 2a plus 54 into d. या दोघांतनं 2 कॉमन काढणार. न्यूमरेटरचा 2 आणि डिनॉमिनेटरचा 2 हे दोन्ही 2 जातील. Therefore S55 is equals to 55 in bracket a plus 27d. इथनं 2 कॉमन काढण्यात आहे. Therefore 3300 is equals to 55 in bracket a plus 27d. Okay. Now next 3300 ला 55 ने जर आपण डिवाइड केलं then you will get here 60 is equals to a plus 27d. आता आपल्याला कुठलं टर्म फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे 28th term. Tn चा फॉर्म्युला इथे घेणार. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is replaced by 28. Okay. 28 is equals to a plus in bracket 28 minus 1 into d. That is a plus 27d. The value of a plus 27d is a 60. Therefore, t28 is equals to 60, and hence the answer is, that is the 28th term is 60. Okay. Now next, in an AP, the sum of three consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Assume that three consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a and a plus d. हा प्रश्न 3 मार्क्सला विचारला गेलेला आहे. March 20 and September 21 ला. Let the three consecutive terms in an AP be a minus d, a plus d. Okay. Next, from the first condition, त्या सगळ्यांचे टोटल किती येतात? 27 आहे. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d is equals to 27. हे सिम्प्लिफाय केलं, प्लस d minus d कॅन्सल होणार. a plus a that is a 3 is equals to 27. Therefore, a is equals to 27 upon 3, a is equals to 9. From the second condition, their product, okay, 504. That is in bracket a minus d into a plus d is equals to 504. Substitute the value of a, 9 minus d into 9 plus d is equals to 504. 9 minus d into 9 plus d. 9 इथे मल्टिप्लाइड आहे, इकडे नंतर तो डिवाइड होणार. 504 upon 9 is equals to 56. ओके. या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट a minus b into a plus b means what? a square minus b square म्हणजे काय? 9 चा स्क्वेअर मायनस d चा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू 56. ओके. आता d स्क्वेअरची व्हॅल्यू, हा d स्क्वेअर इकडे आला, 56 इकडे येणार, तो मायनस होणार. 81 minus 56 is equals to d square. Therefore, d square is equals to, मग त्या d स्क्वेअरची व्हॅल्यू, d स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू 25. d is equals to, त्याचा स्क्वेअर रूट घेणार, d is equals to plus or minus 5. When d is equals to 5, three consecutive terms are a minus d. a ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती आहे, ती 9 आहे. Therefore, 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. a is 9. a plus d, 9 plus 14. मग ते नंबर्स किती आले? तर 4, next number is 9 and 14. Okay. When the d is equals to minus 5, then the three consecutive numbers are a minus d is equals to 9 minus in bracket minus 5. 9 plus 5, 14. a is equals to 9. a plus d is equals to 9 plus in bracket minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. And in this way, therefore, the three consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Now next example. Find four consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and the fourth term is 14. Assume the four consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay. Let the four consecutive terms in an AP are a minus d. Okay. Here is a d. Next term is a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay. From the first condition, their sum is equals to 12. a minus d plus a plus d, a plus 2d is equals to 12. a minus d plus a plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equals to 12. Their sum 4a plus 2d is equals to 12. dd get cancelled, then you will get here 4a plus 2d is equals to 12. If we divide by 2, then you will get first equation. 2a plus d is equals to 6. This is the first equation. Okay. Now the next. From the second condition. What is the second condition? The sum of third and fourth term is 14. Third and fourth term. This is the third and the fourth term. a plus d plus a plus 2d is equals to 14. a plus d plus a plus 2d is equals to 14. 2a plus 3d is equals to 14. This is equation number 2. Okay. ये दोनों equation solve करना था. What is that? Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. This is equation number 2. A subtract करना. Okay. 2a get cancelled. Then you will get here 2d is equals to 14 minus 6. That is equals to 8. Therefore, d is equals to 8 upon 2. Okay. Therefore, d is equals to 4. d ची value इथे 4 आली. Substituting the value of d in equation number 1. या equation number 1 मध्ये टाकणार. That is a 2a plus 4 is equals to 6. d ची value 4 टाकली इथे. Therefore, 2a is equals to 6 minus 4 म्हणजे 2 आला तो. Therefore, 2a is equals to 2. Therefore, a is equals to 2 upon 2. A is equals to 1. Taking a is equals to 1, d is equals to 4. Therefore, the first term is a minus d, 1 minus 4, that is equals to minus 3. Second term, a is equals to 1. Third term, a plus d, means what? 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Fourth term, a plus 2d, that is a 1 plus 2 into 4. Okay. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. And hence, the four consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5, 9. Okay. Now, next example. If the 19th term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is a twice. The 19th term, it's for 4 marks. हा मार्च 22 ला विचारला गेलेला प्रश्न आहे. Let the first term of the AP be A and common difference D. T9 is equals to 0. आपल्याला दिलं आहे 9 term is 0. Formula for Tn is equals to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. T9 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 means what? 8D. A plus D is equals to 0. Okay. Next, A is equals to minus 8D. This is the first equation. 19th term, T19 is equals to A plus 19 minus 1. Bracket complete into D. Therefore, T19 is equals to A plus 18D. आता या ठिकाणी त्या याची व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. इट्स अ minus 8D. Minus 8D plus 18D. T19 is equals to 10D. This is the equation number 2. Okay. For 29th term, T29 is equals to A plus in bracket 29 minus 1 bracket complete into D. A plus 28D. A ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? A is equals to minus 8D plus 28D. T29 is equals to 28D. This is equation number 3. Therefore, from 3 and 2, we have here T29 is equals to किती आला? तर 28D आला. Okay. हा 28D कसा लिहिणार? 2 into 10D. But what about the 10D? 10D म्हणजे काय? It's nothing but T19, 19th term. Okay. Therefore, T29 is equals to 2 into T19. And hence, 29th term is twice the 19th term. Okay. And in this way, we have completed practice set 3.3. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.